Mr. Geiselart here, and I'm going to explain how to find the phase shift in this. If you have the middle, the amplitude, and the period correct, how can you find the shift? Notice that when you're doing sine always starts in the middle of the graph. So in the graph that we have here, the one that's already drawn, we have this line here is my middle. If this were, because this is a positive sign here, it would normally start, the sine graph would normally start in the middle at 0. So that means that we would start here, and then we would have to go up, and then we would have to go back down to here, and then we'd have to go down, and then we'd have to go back up again. So it would look something like that. What I just need to do is say, where does it start going up, and then continue on. So where does it start in the middle and go up? In this case, it starts in the middle right here and goes up like that and then comes back down. So this is what the phase shift is. Notice that it's halfway in between 0 and pi over 4. If it's halfway in between 0 and pi over 4, that's pi over 8. Now in your equation, because you move positive, you'd put in a negative pi over 8. However, also notice that you could have moved all the way back to here and it would still be in the same place. So this phase shift, if you wanted to do that, you would put plus, and then this is negative, or this is going to be plus 3 pi over 8. So either of those would work. So your two equations that would work here would be y equals negative 2 plus 2 sine 2 times x minus pi over 8, and that's when you move forward in the positive direction. So you have to put a minus if it's in the positive directions, or you could have the equation y equals negative 2 plus 2 sine 2 times x plus 3 pi over 8. Either of those answers will be acceptable.